Here I have OUKITEL WP23, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button as capture. So here you can find this record screen option. Just tap on it. Here it asks you about some audio settings, so you can record device audio, you can record microphone, or you can record both. You can also show touches on the screen, and then tap start. So after this countdown, recording starts. So you can also pause it by tapping. Okay, so you actually can't, you just close the recording by tapping on this timer here, and after that it will be saved to the gallery. Okay, to this Google Photos app, and here is our recording. And from here you can you can share it, edit, delete it, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.